The Trail of Tears was a defining point in the history of Cherokee Nation. However, the end of the Trail of Tears is a less understood aspect of this historic event. Approximately 16 separate detachments left on the Trail of Tears from the southeastern United States between 1838 and 1839.
3 detachments were under the federal government, and the soldiers were escorting and forcing them to the west. Then the 12 detachments plus the water detachment under Ross.
A common misconception is that there was one stopping point for the Trail of Tears in Indian Territory. In reality, there were several endpoints for the trail. They were called disbandment depots. They were also known as subsistence depots, dispersal camps, or ration depots. These sites provided an endpoint for the Cherokees arriving in Indian Territory. There were 5 known disbandment depots throughout present-day Oklahoma. Principal disbandment depots included Mrs. Weber's Plantation, New Fort Wayne, also known as Beatty's Prairie, and the Bushy Head site. Lesser-known sites include McCoy's in Park Hill and Lee's Creek. The disbandment depots provided the surviving Cherokees with rations and other supplies before they settled throughout Indian Territory.